Error F6 in higher inverter AC units is a thermistor-related abnormality that occurs due to the failure of the ambient temperature sensor. This issue can be caused by a broken or faulty thermistor wiring, or a faulty printed circuit board (PCB). To resolve this error, it is essential to start by checking the thermistor connection. The system should be turned off and disconnected from the mains supply, allowing access to the outdoor unit's thermistor. The component's wiring should then be assessed for continuity, and any faulty connections should be repaired or replaced as necessary. If the wiring is not the issue, the thermistor itself should be inspected for damage. Using an ohm meter to check the thermistor's resistance is crucial, and if the values significantly deviate from the manual specifications, the thermistor should be replaced. In cases where the thermistor and its wiring are not faulty, the outdoor unit's PCB may be the problem. To verify this, the thermistor's voltage input should be measured when the system is on. If the voltage input is below 0.1 volts or above 4.9 volts, the outdoor unit PCB should be replaced.